What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have this 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Big shout out to Mike from G2 Auto Group allowing me to have this opportunity to do this video. Few things about this car. This car is not a stock car, so it does have, if you look down here, an exhaust system. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. This also has downpipes and the tune to 800 horsepower. Really not much to say about the interior. You can see the black one over there. $992. First glance, you see this insane interior. Full red from factory. All over the car. When you hop in this, number one thing you see is the seating position with all Porsches is absolutely perfect and spot on. Carbon fiber all around the steering wheel from factory. You get this full red leather interior. This car comes with a sport chrono package, so you have the gear selector over here on this little knob. You have these metal paddle shifters. Also with the sport chrono package, you get this clock up here that has absolutely no use to it. It just looks nice. Not going to really cover the interior so much. Classic Porsche interior. Has upgraded sound system. Let me turn on the electrical. Here we have our sport mode, Sport Plus. This has 800 horsepower. Let's turn it on so you guys can have a little bit of a listen. Listen, if you know anything about cars, that is not stock. Especially with Porsches. Some people say they sound a little bit like a vacuum. I disagree. I think they sound very well stock, but this just sounds even better. Look at that light bar. I don't think 911s are gonna get better than this. Let me give you guys a little sound check. With our little knob over here, you can switch it from normal mode into sport, and you're gonna hear the valves open. Give it a rev. What you can do on these cars too is when you put the car in neutral, you can pull the paddles, and then you'll be able to rev it up to 6,000. You guys can hear it for yourself. Enough of me talking. Let's get into the drive. Porsche 911, known as the most comfortable daily sports car. The feel of driving this is just, it feels so easy. The steering, the practicality, it just feels like you're driving a regular car. It's just so easy to drive. Anybody's grandma can drive this without feeling like they're in an 800 horsepower beast. A lot of rocks on the ground. Hopefully we can. Luckily this car has PPF. This car is just easy, even with the exhaust that's on this car. It just goes, you don't even hear it. It's like you're just driving a regular car. It just feels very easy in your hands. Comfortable, easy. Somebody can even fall asleep in the passenger seat while you're driving. So enough of me talking. We're all here for one reason: to see what this car can actually do. You hear 911s, every old Turbo S, you know, nothing beats a Turbo S. Well, let's see why. With our little analog over here, we're gonna go into sport, manual mode. You can right away hear that exhaust opening up. Sound like a regular Turbo S to you? Vacuum anymore. everything. BMWs. Would you rather the M3 or the Turbo S? Underpass. This car, it doesn't get better than this. This is all you need out of a car. And that's a nice spec actually. Oh my God. I hope you guys can hear that. The sound makes this car. If you were thinking about getting a Turbo S and putting an exhaust on it, I think you should do it. Ceramics. I'm sure everybody next to me hates me. Five shifts down with ease. Towards the end of this drive, I don't think it gets better than this car. If you did like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.